This is a Caesar salad deviled egg. Yes, it's delicious. Let me show you how I made these. Yolks up. Alright guys, to get started on these chicken Caesar salad deviled eggs, we're basically using what you would use in a normal chicken Caesar salad. We have our croutons, we have our lettuce, we have dressing, Parmesan cheese, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of lemon, and of course our eggs. So basically the same ingredients you'd use to make a chicken Caesar salad. We're just going to do it in egg form today. So let's get started by cutting these eggs in half and getting the yolks out. Once you've boiled those eggs for 15 minutes, cooled them, peeled them, and cut them in half, the yolk should pop out just like this. Beautiful. Next up, the base of this yolk filling is going to be Caesar salad dressing. Now you could make your own from scratch. We could do this with some anchovies, some lemons, some garlic, a little bit of oil, but I'm keeping it simple today, easy. This Caesar dressing is going to be our replacement where our mayo base would be normally. So we're going to do just about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this Caesar salad dressing in this mix, just to see what the consistency looks like from that. So I'm going to spice it up a little bit with 1 splash of this Worcestershire. A good Caesar salad always has Parmesan cheese, and I know this is just the plastic tub stuff that's already shredded. I get it. Still better than the shaker. I'm using this today because it's easy. For the Parmesan cheese, I'm going in with about 2 tablespoons worth. Lastly, you know I like my acid pops in my yolks, so I'm going in with lemon today. Classic lemon flavor for a Caesar salad, and it's going to replace our vinegar. And you don't really need too much of this stuff. I'd say maybe a teaspoon. And you know I'm always finishing this off with that S&P. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to whisk. Once it's nice and fluffy like this, we're ready to rock and roll. Once you got that filling into a piping bag, just squeeze it back into its white. The more that I thought about this recipe, the more I thought it'd be delicious with a good little piece of chicken on top of it for a garnish. So I have these chicken breasts here I'm just going to grill up in the griddle, and then we're going to chop it up real fine so that we can put a little piece on each egg for a garnish. To stick with the salad theme today, obviously I'm putting some romaine on top of there. So I'm just going to chop this up into some nice little cubes that look good for a garnish, and then I'm going to top them off. And a good Caesar salad always has those nice crunchy croutons. So instead of putting a big crouton on top of these things, I figured I'd crush them up a little bit, that way we can kind of just sprinkle them over the top of these eggs. Let's see how it works out. Yeah, that should do. Just see how you have like a rough chop like that. That way these things can just be sprinkled right over the top. Here we have our beautiful grilled chicken breast. I'm just going to slice this into strips and then bite-sized pieces so that we can top each one of these eggs. Just like that. And always make sure you taste test your chicken right after it comes off the grill. Perfection. So I'm just going to take these bite-sized pieces and just top each egg. And there you have it, folks. Beautiful Caesar salad deviled eggs. You got that lettuce on there, you got that piece of grilled chicken, little crunchy action from the croutons on top, and of course that beautiful Caesar salad dressing inside the yolk. This one looks good and promising. Let's go. Yolks up. I'm telling you guys, this one is going to be a hit. That tastes just like a Caesar salad explosion in your mouth. The egginess even really adds to it. Makes it more salady. Delicious. You got the crunchiness, you got the charred chicken, you got that Caesar salad dressing filling inside. It's so good. This one shocked me, actually. I was kind of skeptical about this before I started it, but you never know until you try. So yeah, thumbs up on this recipe. If you guys enjoy these deviled egg recipes or any other content that we're putting out, please like and subscribe and tell your friends, because we're trying to make the world a little more excellent. Thank you all. Yolks up.